YI-DAXLIFTER, a well-known brand of a leading enterprise, specializing in the design, production, and sales of parking lifts, has won wide acclaim in the global market for its outstanding performance, stability, and reliability. YI-DAXLIFTER offers flagship products such as the 2-post parking lift, 4-post parking lift, 3-car parking lift, and advanced parking systems. YI-DAXLIFTER also provides users with one-stop parking system solutions. Whether it is a parking lift or a car service lift, YI-DAXLIFTER can tailor the most suitable solution according to the actual needs of users. With many years of experience in production, sales, and manufacturing, YI-DAXLIFTER has provided high-quality services to more than 200 car storage companies around the world. In the future, YI-DAXLIFTER will continue to adhere to the business philosophy of customer first, quality first, continuously innovating and improving product lines, enhancing product performance and quality, and providing users with superior parking lifts and services.